Okay, today we're talking about drop ceiling panel heaters. So what is a drop ceiling panel heater? This is a drop ceiling panel heater.
Woo!
This particular one is 120 volts AC single phase. It just simply sits up in the drop ceiling frame. See the BX cable supplying power to it. And it is just a panel, or sometimes referred to as a tile. Some of the benefits, they come in different voltages and wattages, come in 2 foot by 2 foot or 2 foot by 4 foot. They are radiant heaters, meaning they transfer heat to people and objects instead of the ambient air. They have no moving parts and they take up very little space. The model we're working on today is this here. It's a 120 volt, 375 watt. And what we're going to be doing is installing a thermostat on the wall to control these. You could also hook these up to your BAS. Here's a wiring schematic I made just to illustrate how the wiring is done on this. You can see we have two drop ceiling heaters here. And we got our 120 volts coming in on the right side here into a step-down transformer that steps the voltage down from 120 to 24 volts. We have a rib, which is a relay in a box. So when you energize that coil via the thermostat, that switch, O and Y, will close and send 120 volts to your drop ceiling tile heaters.
Wow.
And then when the thermostat is satisfied, they'll shut off. Before working on anything electrical, be sure the power is turned off first. Wear PPE. So we're using this old panel that was already up in the drop ceiling on an old fan coil unit that it's no longer in service. So you can see I have our 120 volt power coming in, our step down transformer here, our rib, and then the BX cable going out to the two heating tiles. So we'll go ahead and install our thermostat on the wall and thermostat guard. All we need is that red and white wire. Install the batteries in the thermostat. Program the thermostat. You can see everything is powered up. Go ahead and turn the power back on to the unit. See the red LED light is lit up on the rib, indicating the thermostat is calling for heat. And we can verify that with our temp gun. And you can see the temperature is rising.
Woo!
So again, these are lightweight. They take up very little space. They cost a few $100. Great option for an office or a home or finished basement. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.